Maybe if I just throw enough parts at it, it'll start working. This is a Convotherm Combi oven. It's not one of the newest models. But look, it has a built-in sprayer. Made for you to spray into the oven. They're made for that. This is a self-washing, self-cleaning, steaming, everything else you can imagine oven. And there's two of them. So here's the inside of a Combi oven. The part we're focused on is this part right here. Doesn't seem to be lighting. Well, for starters, there's this. So I've just had this break off too, this little thing. I'm gonna have to redo that. Alright, I've reconnected it. She's trying to light. There was the boiler lighting. No sign on this one yet though. Looks like it's trying to make steam. There's our inducer fan running. You should see a faint glow followed by a blue flame that turns orange. Nope, I didn't even see it try. It never even energized the igniter. It never even energized the igniter once. Well, if it's not going to even energize the igniter, that's a bad ignition module. On his work order, it says he found that the igniter wasn't lighting up, and he replaced it. Alright, so I have now swapped the controllers on these two. Let's find out what happens here. Rolled out a bad module. On the inside of the door of these ovens, they have the entire schematic. And as you can see, it's rather extensive. So on our module here, there on page 7, we got all these wires here and this high limit right here. And it isn't tripped. And other than that, the only things that will take out this controller that isn't faulty are these circuits here. These and this one, which are right here in this control board. Right? They're hooked up over on X21, X20, X21. Have a look at this. Look at that capacitor. That doesn't look so great. Come over here and look at this one. Yeah, here it is. It fell off in my hand. That's the problem. They need that board.